Hey guys, what's up? Hey there. Who was that? Don't worry, he is Mr. Elon, CEO of Samsung. My name is Mr. Elon. Samsung Galaxy M20 is launching soon, so today, we are going to talk about this phone. So tell me about this phone. The Samsung Galaxy M10, Galaxy M20 and Galaxy M30 have been surfacing on internet frequently. The rumors are only confirming the launch of the upcoming Samsung M series. Tell me about the design of this phone. The Samsung Galaxy M20 shows an Infinity V notch display with a bezel-less screen. What about LED strip, a round notch? Yeah, it is believed that smartphone will feature a LED strip around the notch, which will light whenever the user unlocks the phone. Tell me about some features. The Samsung Galaxy M20 will feature a 6.13-inch Infinity V-notch display with dual-core plus 1.6 grams Hz quad-core processor. Tell me about price. It is to fall into the bracket of Rs 15,000. What about camera? The handset will sport 13 plus 5 megapixel dual rear cameras, along with an 8 megapixel selfie shooter. What about battery and all that? It will pack a 5000 mAh battery, coupled with 3 GB of RAM for connectivity. Samsung Galaxy M20 will have USB-C port, a speaker grill, and a 3.5mm headset jack. Can you say about launching date? I don't know, it is not confirmed. So guys, this was all about Samsung Galaxy M20. So, I hope you liked the video. Yeah, they definitely like it. So, like it. Share it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for coming. Bye. Bye.